I'll show you how to turn this into this. First thing we're gonna need is a socket, about the same size as the camera hole. Guesstimate where this needs to go. Doesn't have to be perfect, just needs to be close. There's the LED. And this has a hole in there that I can actually see. So I'm just gonna use that to help me center this right on that dot. So I'm actually going to try to use a blunt end of a mini nail to get that microphone hole. It's the exact same way that I traced it on the paper. Just keep some even pressure. And we'll just go around and cut right where it's lifted. That'll get you a nice clean cut. That part doesn't need to be perfect, but so now we can see if we're on or off. Once we get this on, that's when we'll trim the sides. One way that I actually found makes it quite nice is to allow this to hang off the edge so that we can have both these bits here, and the rest of it's not trying to stick down. It just makes it a lot easier for us. Oftentimes, if you just have a small air bubble, you don't have to reposition everything. You just kind of work its way out. If you need to, you can heat it up. It just takes a bit of time and patience. Now, if you didn't need to use these, you can just not even worry about those. But I need it. This works on my Magic Keyboard with those spots.